Every relationship begins with love, but eventually, conflict comes. The question is not if, but how you handle it. Most couples fall apart not because of one fight, but because they never learned how to stay calm when emotions run high. The Stoics mastered this art. Imagine turning moments of anger into moments of clarity, transforming conflict into deeper understanding. That's the power of Stoicism in relationships. Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we'll explore how to stay calm when love turns to conflict. A Stoic guide. Why love always meets conflict. In America, studies show couples argue 1-3 times a week on average. Conflict is normal, but when handled poorly, it erodes trust and love. Marcus Aurelius warned himself, "You will meet meddling, ungrateful, arrogant people today." He expected conflict and prepared for it. Love does not remove conflict. Instead, conflict tests the strength of love. The Stoics remind us, we cannot control others' actions, but we can always control our response. This is why how to stay calm when love turns to conflict, a Stoic guide matters. It's not about avoiding fights, but mastering ourselves when they arise. Lesson 1. Expect conflict. Don't fear it. Epictetus said, "When something happens, the only thing in your power is your attitude toward it." Most people panic when conflict arises, thinking it means love is failing. But Stoics reframed conflict as natural. Practical habit. Begin each day expecting disagreements. When conflict comes, remind yourself, this is part of love. See arguments as opportunities for growth. In American homes, many couples interpret conflict as doom, but Stoics saw it as training for patience and virtue. Lesson 2. Master your emotions before speaking. Seneca taught, the greatest remedy for anger is delay. In conflict, most damage comes not from disagreement, but from uncontrolled words. Stoics practiced pausing before reacting. Practical habit. Take 3 deep breaths before speaking. Pause for a few minutes if emotions surge. Choose calm words, even in heat. In the US, arguments about money, chores, or parenting often escalate because emotions speak louder than reason. But when you pause, you protect love from words you cannot take back. Lesson 3. Focus on virtue, not victory. Marcus Aurelius asked himself daily, what is my duty as a human being? In relationships, the duty is not to win fights, but to practice virtue. Practical habit. Ask in conflict, am I being just? Am I being patient? Seek understanding, not domination. Remember, winning an argument but losing respect is no victory. In America's competitive culture, couples often argue as if in court, but Stoics remind us, the goal is not to conquer your partner, but to strengthen the bond. Lesson 4. Reframe conflict as shared growth. Epictetus said, difficulties show what men are. In relationships, difficulties reveal whether love is shallow or resilient. Practical habit. After conflict, reflect together. What did we learn? Use fights as reminders to improve patience, listening, and empathy. See conflict as sharpening the relationship, not breaking it. In American marriages, many couples who last decades say the same. It wasn't the absence of conflict that sustained them. It was learning from it. Lesson 5. Forgive. Quickly. Hold lightly. Seneca reminded, to err is human, but to persist in error is folly. After conflict, forgiveness is the bridge back to love. Holding grudges destroys calm. Practical habit. Resolve conflicts the same day, when possible. Forgive mistakes when repentance is real. Focus on the bigger picture. Love is more important than being right. In the US, resentment quietly ends more marriages than betrayal. Forgiveness keeps love alive when conflict could kill it. Conclusion. The Stoic Guide to Staying Calm in Conflict. Conflict in love is inevitable, but chaos in conflict is optional. Expect conflict, don't fear it. Master emotions before speaking. Focus on virtue, not victory. Reframe conflict as growth. Forgive quickly. Hold lightly. This is how to stay calm when love turns to conflict. A Stoic guide. So the next time love turns to conflict, pause, breathe, remember virtue, and choose calm. In that moment, you transform conflict into strength. Subscribe to Stoic Blend for more wisdom and build love that endures every storm.